Monica AI tutorial. Is it worth it? I'm going to tell you whether Monica AI is worth trying for your productivity. Monica AI is a powerful browser based assistant designed to boost productivity with AI driven tools. It offers features like content summarization, code assistance, and even task automation. Perfect for developers, content creators, or anyone looking to streamline their work. It integrates multiple AI models including GPT 4, Claude 3.5, and Gemini 1.5 Pro, giving you different ways to tackle tasks. Users report saving time and money, with some claiming up to 10 hours a week and $200 a month in savings. However, there is a learning curve to getting the most out of Monica, and some users feel that the paid plans can be a bit on the expensive side. The tool also provides a user friendly interface that makes tasks like translating or summarizing content easier. Overall, if you're someone who values efficiency and is ready to dive into a versatile platform, Monica AI could be worth checking out.